What's in today's article? Starlink Satellite Internet India. About Starlink pricing structure, regulatory challenges for Starlink in India. Starlink Satellite Internet India. Bharti Airtel and Reliance Jio have partnered with SpaceX Starlink to provide satellite internet in India, marking a shift from the telecom industry's earlier resistance to launching Starlink without spectrum auctions. About Starlink. Starlink is a low Earth orbit LEO satellite constellation with over 7,000 satellites that provide internet access to users via ground terminals. It is owned by Elon Musk SpaceX and is available in around 40 countries. Working of Starlink. Satellite continuously orbit the Earth, covering almost the entire habitable surface. Ground terminals connect to satellites, which in turn communicate with ground stations physically linked to the internet. This setup enables wireless internet connectivity in areas lacking traditional broadband infrastructure. Starlink's speed and latency offers speed of around 100 Mbps, similar to many home broadband connections. Latency time for data transmission is higher than wired broadband, making it less ideal for applications requiring real-time responsiveness. Starlink's use in India. Not very useful in cities with strong 5G and wired broadband networks, as these offer better speed and reliability. Highly beneficial for rural and remote areas, providing instant connectivity where traditional networks are unavailable. Starlink's potential benefits. Bridging the digital divide. Starlink can provide internet access to rural and remote areas, helping reduce the gap between urban and rural regions. Connectivity for maritime and offshore operations. Useful for commercial fishing ships, merchant vessels, offshore oil rigs, and deep sea researchers. Solo sea voyagers can stay connected for entertainment or emergency assistance. Disaster response and emergency communication. During natural disaster, tsunami, cyclone, earthquakes, when telecom infrastructure fails, Starlink can enable quick setup of communication centers for military and emergency responders. Trackers with Starlink mobile kits can send SOS message for timely rescue. Starlink pricing structure. Starlink has two main costs: user terminal hardware, a router-like device required to access the satellite network. Monthly subscription fee, the cost to stay connected to the service. Starlink's pricing in India is not expected to be lower, as the technology's cost remain the same worldwide. Final pricing will depend on regulatory approvals and local market adjustments. Regulatory challenges for Starlink in India. Starlink has encountered several regulatory hurdles, primarily due to Indian government's strict scrutiny of internet services, particularly those enabling nationwide access. Key approvals required. GMPCS authorization. SpaceX needs a global mobile personal communication by satellites license under the Telecommunications Act 2023. The new rules under this act are yet to be published. It is unclear if the license will be issued under previous regulations. Security clearances from Ministry of Home Affairs. Reports suggest SpaceX has addressed corporate ownership disclosure concerns, but the security clearance status remains unknown. Ground station and law enforcement access. Starlink must establish ground station in India that comply with telecom regulations. The Telecom Act requires tapping equipment at ground station for law enforcement access, a standard requirement for internet networks. Spectrum allocation dispute. Government stance. The government does not plan to auction satellite spectrum, as these narrow beams can be shared among providers. Telcos demand. Before partnering with Starlink, telecom companies, especially Reliance Jio, argued that spectrum should be auctioned, citing the Supreme Court 2012 judgment in the 2G scam case, which mandated auction for scarce natural resources. Legal uncertainty. Jio has commissioned legal opinions supporting spectrum auctions, but the government's final decision remains unclear. Potential fast-tracking of approval. Elon Musk's growing influence in the US government and trade pressure from the US, including under Donald Trump's administration, may accelerate Starlink's entry into India. Current status. No official confirmation on regulatory approvals yet. Airtel and Jio have signed commercial distribution agreements, but Regulatory clearance is still pending.